In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out Gmail account from other devices. 5 minutes. We'll start in your web browser with Gmail open. If you're already in your inbox, look to the top right corner of the page. You'll see your account profile icon there, usually a photo or an initial inside a circle. Click that icon to open your account menu. From the menu that appears, select Manage Your Google Account. This takes you out of the inbox and into your main Google account settings, where all the security and device controls live. On the account page, find the menu on the left and choose Security. This section is where Google groups everything related to sign-ins, passwords, and where your account is being used. Scroll down until you reach the area labeled Your Devices. This is a quick overview of phones, tablets, computers, and browser sessions that are currently signed in with your Google account. Next, click Manage All Devices. You'll now see a detailed list, each item showing a device type, model of browser, and the most recent activity. Take a moment to review this list carefully. If something looks unfamiliar, that's a sign you should remove it. When you find a device you want to disconnect, click it to open its details, then choose Sign Out. Confirm when prompted. This immediately ends that device's access to your Google services, including Gmail. It won't erase anything on the device. It simply prevents further access with your account unless someone signs in again. If your goal is to quickly end access for many browser sessions at once, look for an option like Sign Out of all other web sessions. This is useful if you've used Gmail on shared or public computers, or if you prefer a clean slate across multiple browsers. Click it and confirm to revoke those web logins in one step. A few helpful notes as you go. Sometimes devices can appear with generic names, so rely on last active times and locations to identify them. If you remove a device you still own, you can always sign back in later. And if you spot a device you don't recognize, signing it out is a good first move. After that, consider updating your password and checking recent security activity for extra peace of mind. That's it. By managing your devices from the security section and signing out where needed, you keep your Gmail account secure and under your control.